how to check app usage time on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings, and once you do that, you want to navigate to digital well-being, and once you're here, you will see a section that says screen time. It has your total screen time for this day compared to yesterday, and you will have a report for each app usage time. Now, if you clicked on this option, you will see even more details. As you can see, you will be able to see the usage time, the total usage time for each day of the week, and you will also be able to see all of the used app, as you can see, with their usage time next to them. Now, if you clicked on any one of these apps, you will see an even more detailed report for the usage time of that specific day, as you can see, hour by hour. This one, let's see, for example, this one, as you can see right here. So yeah, here you will be able to check all of the usage time for the apps day by day with specific details. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can check and see and find the time used on every app in your Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.